How to fix WhatsApp login error on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix WhatsApp login error on your iPhone. So there are a few different reasons as to why this error may be occurring. The first one being your internet connection. So if you are not able to log into your account, simply try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. So if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi and then try logging into your account. Now if you can log into your account, that will be great, but if you can't log into your account, what you can do is go to your app store and then search WhatsApp. Now as you can see, mine currently says open, but if yours says update, it means that your app is not up to date, and that may be what is causing the error. So if your app is not up to date, sometimes you won't be able to log into your account. So simply update your app and then try logging into your account. But if your error is still there, what you can do is go to your settings. Now go to general and then go to iPhone storage. Now locate WhatsApp, and then it will basically provide you with two options: offload app and then delete app. So simply try offloading the app. Now what offload app does is it will delete the app but keep all of its data. So try offloading the app, and now once the app is offloaded, simply try reinstalling the app. Now once the app is reinstalled, simply try logging into your account. But if you still can't log into your account, as a final resort, what you can do is uninstall the app and then again reinstall the app, and finally restart your iPhone. These solutions will surely fix your error and you'll be successfully able to log back to your WhatsApp account on your iPhone. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.